Hi there. Do you love good music? Of course you do. Everyone does, including your students. Hi, my name is Paul Miller, founder of Creative Teaching Techniques, and I love to share popular music and movie ideas that will make a lasting impact on you and your students. Whether you teach social studies, religion, English, or music, I think you'll really enjoy these ideas. As Pope Francis says, everything is connected. We will show you how to make exciting connections between popular culture and our Christian faith. Let's take a look at the song called Beautiful Day by U2. I've been using the song for many years. I play it while the students are walking into the classroom on the first day of school. It's so positive and joyful. You gotta love the lyrics. Touch me, take me to another place. Teach me love, I know I'm not a hopeless case. We all want Jesus to touch the hearts of our students. Here's a little secret about the Irish rock and roll band U2. All their lyrics are about God, and or their parents, wives, daughters, sons, or all the above. It's so positive and joyful. You gotta love the lyrics. Touch me, take me to another place, teach me love, I know I'm not a hopeless case. As St. John Baptist de La Salle, the patron saint of teachers, said 350 years ago, the greatest miracle you can perform is to touch the hearts of your students with the gospel of Jesus. Think how many hearts have been touched since this song came out in 2000. Then we all remember a year later, September 11, 2001. We cried for months and months. It's still super sad. Well, the National Football League asked U2 to play this song and a couple others to help us heal after the tragic events of the day. Many people say this halftime Super Bowl performance is the best ever. There will be a link below to this 11-minute tribute to American heroes. I will also have a link to the original 4-minute song. It's interesting to note that this song won a Grammy for Song of the Year, but it did not just win 1 Grammy, it won 3 Grammys. Finally, I love the biblical allusion near the end of the song. Bono, the lead singer, says, "See the world in green and blue? See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the Bedouin fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. See the bird with the leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day." As we know, the story of Noah and the flood in Genesis chapters 4 through 10 is a story of hope. God will not leave us alone. In Genesis chapter 8, verse 11, it says, "In the evening the dove came back to him, Noah, and there in its bill was plucked off an olive leaf. So Noah knew that the waters had diminished on the earth." This symbolizes the great hope God has for us, which is a gift. I use music once or twice per week in all the different classes I teach. You obviously can do whatever you think is appropriate. I'd be happy to send you the study guide template that I use for most of the songs I play. I have my students write down the title, the artist, and the main theme, or the best lyric, for each song. Here's my email address. Shoot me an email and I'd be happy to send you more free musical and movie teaching tips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this with a fellow teacher. What songs do you play for your students? Feel free to write them in the comments below. Until then, remember, it's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away. Now let's enjoy the song Beautiful Day by U2.